Okay, so today, guys, I'm here to show scammer p0tat0z. She is like a huge scammer, and I can even show you. Look, one of these videos, shout out to Eternal and Big Mama Eternal, because they both made videos about this, and I think this is very true, because she even points out that she's a scammer. I can even show you. And also, on Wheeled-Side, you're only able to add 100 people, if not even 99 people on there. But supposedly, she has 900 something on there. And that just doesn't make sense. And she even admits in the video, that she was using the same exact wheel, which is not possible. And then she answers saying, yes. So, I think, she's a really big scammer, saying you can own, number of wheel slices cannot exceed more than 100. And, so, let's look at Eternal's video. Look at this. That's a huge scam. That doesn't make sense how she's adding everyone on there. This just isn't possible. She has 2 accounts. Those are both accounts. Make sure you, report both of those, p0tat0z and p0tat0z. Because they are both the same account. And also her photo, it looks like it's actually shopped. It looks like it's actually shopped. Because look at this. Because that's photoshopped. You can see that someone's putting it over. Even if you put it over, that might have been a photoshopped headdress. You might not even have a headdress. Which is basically buying scams. And they say on the video, you have crying babies in the background, hush them babies up. And also, they have, I forgot. But 2 accounts, p0tat0z and p0tat0z. And you know they're scammers because they'll actually say, give me 1 spike, or 1 diamond shop spike is you're added on 3 times, and then they said an actual long is added on 9 times, and then actual, a normal spike would add you on 6 times, which, you're just buying ribs, buying subs, and they actually, when she actually got 1,000 subs, she reduced that to get to 900. And then on p0tat0z video, let's go. I actually want to show you this. Someone was jealous about that. And Big Mama Eternal, even though she was actually helping me out on this, but someone is jealous. Like, who do you think you are? You were scamming, so-called, but, like, this is unbelievable, but she shouldn't even be a thing. The fact that people, and she shouldn't even be recording, because, like, I know Animal Jam watched Big Mama Eternal's videos, and they're probably gonna block p0tat0z, or going on to one of their live streams calling them out, but, like, p0tat0z, I don't even know what to say about that. I used to be her subscriber until I saw all these videos saying p0tat0z is a scammer, p0tat0z is a scammer. And I kind of knew that by the time, because I've been on her videos for like 14 videos, and they just kept going down. Once it was like 999, she reduced it to 800 something. And, like, you're buying your subs, you're buying spikes, you're just doing that so you can actually get a headdress and give it away. Maybe you're gonna not even give it away. Like, it's just not okay to have that. It's not okay at all. And, like, it's just unbelievable. So, I don't even like going on live streams that much. That's why I don't do it. I don't have anything to record it on. Plus, it's a phone. And also, like, they'll just go on there and buy subs. And it's actually against the rules to advertise, which can get you your account bubble chatted. Which is why I think I got bubble chatted before. You can even get, like, suspended, maybe even blocked. You're not supposed to do that. So, I hope AJHQ watches this, because I would for sure, like, ban them or suspend them for a while until they actually get saying that p0tat0z actually gets that she's not supposed to scam people. Like, that's just messed up. I don't even know what to say about that. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you take my concern about p0tat0z being a scammer. And dog out.